Hello. This speech is on the John Osha Foundation and the related Children Osha Hospital. On January 2020, Patricia Allen died in California on non-COVID reasons. I specified that so that people don't get confused and thought this was about coronavirus. Josh Allen was her grandson. He opted to play that game against the Seattle Seahawks, which were running very hot with Russell Wilson. The Bills ended up winning 44-34 with an important, strong showing in defense. Allen was the star with 415 passing yards, 81% completion rate, 3 passing touchdowns, 1 rushing touchdown with no turnovers. It was an emotional performance, which was said by Sean McDermott and also Brandon Beane. The Buffalo Bills fans gave a lot of praise to him about his performance, but also explained their sorrows for his loss. Josh Allen was also happy to hear how his fans loved him and said, he never wants to leave Buffalo. He wants to stay there for his entire career. And a fundraiser started for the Osha Children's Hospital. Now, to be basic, the Osha Foundation is a non-profit organization that's based in Buffalo, New York. They help grow communities of grants, fundraisers, they deal with schools and general community events. 60% of Buffalo citizens have been affected by this foundation. Now, the Osha is dealing with the entire western New York, so 8 counties, Erie, I don't know what the other 7. Now, the founder, John Osha, he was born January 1886 and died in January 1968. He was born and died in Buffalo. He was a very successful business owner from the get-go. In 1940, he established the Osha Foundation. The foundation concentrated its support to hospitals and schools in the Buffalo area, with the balance being directed towards cultural and social service needs. It was an anomalous donation until 1997. He wasn't a poor man at all. By 2019, his net worth in 2019 is $426 million. So he wasn't a humble man, but he did a great service with his foundation. He was the president of the foundation until 1968 and his death. And everyone knows now their big thing they've done was the hospital, which is considered for the last 2 years to be the number 1 children's hospital in Western New York. And to go back to this, he has donated. There's been this many donations. So people are greatly supporting it, and the Arizona fans are also adding to this donation, and they're planning to change one of the 4 names to Patricia in honor of her name. Ultimately, it is a very good and helpful local organization to the Western New York region, and I agree that should be supported.